Greetings from team number 20. So my team members Vaibhav, Prakash and Venkatash and Anna would like to present a project which is bidirectional visitor counter. So the presentation overview is as follows, which includes introduction, objective, the literature review, methodology, hardware and software used, conclusion, and different references. So the introduction of the project is, as a main intention is to design a system where the number of persons which enter or leave a room or a specified space is displayed on a screen, and the content is recorded there. As the person enters the room, the count is increased by one, and when he is leaving, the count is decreased. This in this we have used an IR sensing mechanism which is used to sense a person or a visitor, and then the counting operation is done by the microcontroller in connected to it. The objective is, like with this system, it will help us to check the number of people which are leaving or entering that particular area, and it would be even easier for the user to keep a track which will be displayed on a screen instead of manually checking the door again and again. And this will also ensure proper social distances during the time of pandemic and in general as well, as the visitor count can also be set by the user in order, so that whenever the display would show an increase after the particular value, it would notify the user and he or she can take certain or necessary actions. The literature review is as follows. So over to Vaibhav and Ashish.
So my name is Vaibhav and I'll be talking about the methodology. So our circuit works on the principle of IR sensing. So IR sensors are devices that work with infrared light source and a photodetector like a photodiode or a phototransistor that acts like a transmitter and a receiver respectively. So in this project we have used a pair of IR LEDs and that acts as the IR transmitter and a photodiode that acts as the IR receiver. Next slide. So output from each sensor is fed to the microcontroller. So in normal operation, the IR light from the LED would fall on the photodiode as it is a reflective type IR sensor. The output from the sensor would be a logic low in this case. So in case of any interruption by some person, the photodiode would stop receiving the IR light. And as a result, the output from the sensor would be a logical high. So logical high signal. So this shift from logical low to logical high from the sensors is detected by the microcontroller, and the count is accordingly increased or decreased by one. So this is the block diagram for our project. So you can see that on the doorway there are two pairs of transmitters and receivers. So if a person enters from left to right, the count is increased by one, and if the person like goes out from right to left, the count is decreased by one. Now I would like Ashish to continue.
My name is Ashish, and I'm going to talk about hardware and software used in our project. So the hardwares which are used are AT89 C51 8051 based microcontroller, 8051 programmer, push button, 10 microfarad electrolytic capacitor, 2 into 10 kilo ohms resistor, 1/4 watt, 11.0592 megahertz crystal, which is also
Which is also used for controlling the time for the microcontroller.
It acts as an oscillator.
Acts as an oscillator. 2 into 33 picofarad ceramic capacitor, 16 into 2 LCD display, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer, 2 into two IR sensors, reflective type, connecting wires and power supply, and the software which are used are Kyle Vision software, which is also an IDE, and Willer software, and Proteus is also a circuit simulator software. Next slide. So conclusion for our project is, this can be used in shops and other confined public areas to count the number of people entering and leaving a building. This will help people control the crowd inside to ensure practical social distancing during the pandemic. If the number of people inside the complex exceeds the number certified by the user, it will set off a buzzer to notify the user about the surplus. Next slide. These are the references which we took.